we are 2K subscribers. Like, the growth is massive. I'm actually let me. Hey, we are 2K. To fix this thing is becoming. I'm just going to be using it on everything I eat so very well, as you can see. So I fried party jollof, spicy, hot, homemade, sumptuous party jollof is ready. So my loves, hi spunkies, how you all doing? I'm so glad and excited to be doing this video. This video is actually a gratitude video to congratulate myself and my spunkies. Guys, I'm so excited. We are 2K subscribers. Like, the growth is massive. I'm actually seeing the growth. Who am I that you guys love me this much? Like, my shorts family, you guys are the best. Thank you for all the love, all the support. I see everything. God, like, it's not been a year I started this YouTube stuff and I'm making this much progress. I really hope my hard work pays very, very soon. You guys congratulate me. Hey, we are 2K subscribers and plus. There's a plus there. This is really something of great joy. I'm so happy and grateful to you guys. Please my spunkies, the love you are showing me on my short videos, kindly extend that to my long videos. Now let me follow you all and smile on this YouTube space. I already love you guys, you know that, my spunkies. I'm so excited to be here this day. So today is all about you guys. I'm so much grateful. I love you all. Congratulations to us. Way to 3,000, way to 4,000 and beyond. I can't wait to clock 10K, 100K subscribers. Like, I'm getting the visibility I need, and the main thing now is for you guys to keep showing me the same love on my long videos. I'll be posting my vlogs moving forward. I know I've been missing in action lately, but it's all because of the things I have doing. Yeah, I was sick, but I thank God for quick recovery. I'm back now and I will be posting many vlogs I have edited. So you guys should please turn on your notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and if this is your first time of seeing my video, you are highly welcome. I am Spunky Wifey of the Jem McLean's family. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber, mom of 3, and an entrepreneur with no help. So on this space, I share my lifestyle, cooking vlog, everything a Nigerian wife and mom should do is what I am doing on this vlog. So I'm here for you, anything. I'm also very funny. If you can't check my shorts, you will know that I'm also a funny content creator. So check me out on other social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram as Spunky Wifey Lala. Okay guys, thank you so much. I can't wait to keep growing. The growth is massive, and I thank God. This is evidence of hard work. It is paying off. Consistency is key. Don't let anybody deceive you. So today I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all for the love. Who am I that you guys keep showing me this great love? So I want to go to the market. I have a lot of things to do. From my last vlog, if you have watched, I was asking everybody to help me with a skincare routine that won't bleach my caramel skin, clock it. See my skin now, I love it this way. So but I need something, a skincare routine that will help me pop and glow. So some people suggested for me, so I'm going to the market to check out. I want to go to a skincare shop to see what I can get for myself. So stay tuned. I will be going to Ariara Market in Aba, where I live, because I reside in Abia State. So I will go and buy something, especially replace my kids food flags and all, water bottle, and then I will also get my skincare. I will also replace my dish rack, plate rack, yeah, sorry. So the one I'm using is spoiled, so I'm going to be replacing a new one. Let me see if I can get something that will not spoil easily, the trendy ones in the market. So stay with me, guys. This is outfit of the day. This jersey is from Hobby's wardrobe. I'm rocking it with a matching joggers. I have this bag. This is the bag I will be carrying. Okay. In Aba, when you are in Aba, you shine your eye. You don't, especially when you want to go to the market, you shine your eye very well. This right here is the matching palms I'll be pairing my bag with, as you can see. Okay, so guys, let me go to the market. Can't wait to come back and show you guys what I've got. Happy new week. It's Monday, and I'll see you all once I come back. Based on Ishi came estate.
Kada naman. Kita kaya aga po sa siwan.
Ay, kan sa din ka.
Ah.
Big one.
Ka mama. Ka paano?
Everyone got 2.5. Where is it?
Got it.
Solution.
Okay.
Body wash.
Which one?
Not just one something smaller.
Eh?
Anyone.
For you?
Oh my, check out now. See So guys, I'm going to go front like this.
This is also.
Your face is not coming. Ah. To fix this thing is becoming a problem. We are assembling the plate rack. Let's see. Read the manual. Let's see what is inside it and how we can do this. Best friend. Spicy jollof rice, and I decided to go into the kitchen to see what I can do. So I got this cup and then measured out 3 cups of rice, and right here I'm washing it so that I can parboil it. I like washing my rice first before parboiling. I went into my freezer and I found this leftover pomo and beef, and I'm using them for my stock. Here is my ginger and garlic and onion and pepper and tomatoes and spices, bay leaf, everything I'll be using for this party jollof. I'm seasoning my stock here, and after that I blended my pepper mix. This is only pepper and the onion, and then after that I set my pot on fire, added groundnut oil, and then add my chopped tomatoes, then add my pepper mix, and I stir fried a little, then continued. I added my blended ginger and garlic, my curry. I love this my dish seasoning so much. Then I added it and my seasoning cube. I love nut so much. Next, I added my grounded crayfish and then stirred and stirred. An extra chopped onion. My mother used to say that Otora is onion, so I added my Sonia tomato paste, then stir and add salt. I continue stirring to incorporate every ingredient and make sure that my pot is not burning. After that, I added my parboiled rice into the stew sauce and then stir fried for some time before adding my stock and meat. My rice is rising. I covered and allow it to cook. And while it's cooking, I washed and cut my plantain, because tell me, what is party jollof without the assistance of plantain? So this plantain, my mother-in-law gave it to me when I went to visit my kids that are on holiday. So the plantain, we have it plenty in the kitchen, and I'm just going to be using it on everything I eat. So my rice is rising. I set my pan on fire, added another groundnut oil, and then this is me drinking water because baby girl cannot come and kill myself. So I started frying the plantain, and while I fry, I keep checking up on my rice because I don't want it to burn. So at this point, the rice is drying and the plantain is plantaining very well, as you can see. So I fried very well, remove from fire, and then start dishing. Voila, guys, our party jollof, spicy, hot, homemade, sumptuous party jollof is ready. So my loves, get your plate and your spoon because I'm serving. And if rice and dodo is your favorite, kindly show some love to this video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye, and thanks for watching.